Join me as I dive into the world of budgeting and challenge myself to uncover the top secrets every young adult needs to know to save money and get ahead. Budgeting is a crucial aspect of achieving financial stability, and it's essential for young adults to understand its importance in order to make informed decisions about their money. Many young adults struggle with budgeting due to various challenges, such as massive student loans and ridiculously high living costs. These expenses can be overwhelming, making it difficult to prioritize needs over wants. For instance, rent, utilities, and groceries are necessities, but they can quickly add up and leave little room for savings or entertainment. High living costs can also lead to lifestyle inflation, where young adults feel pressure to keep up with their peers and indulge in luxuries they can't afford. This can lead to a vicious cycle of debt and financial stress. Debt, especially from student loans, can be a significant burden, limiting young adults' ability to invest in their future or achieve long-term goals. Financial stress can have a significant impact on mental health, relationships, and overall well-being. Young adults may feel anxious about their financial situation, leading to difficulty sleeping, decreased productivity, and strained relationships with friends and family. Managing debt and living costs requires discipline, patience, and a solid understanding of personal finance. Practical budgeting tips can make a significant difference in managing finances effectively. The 50/30/20 rule is a great starting point, where 50% of income goes towards necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Budgeting apps can also help track expenses, identify areas for improvement, and stay on top of financial goals. Using budgeting apps can help young adults stay organized and focused on their financial objectives. These apps often provide personalized recommendations, spending alerts, and investment advice, making it easier to make informed decisions about money. Tracking expenses is also crucial, as it helps identify areas where money can be saved or redirected towards more important goals. Budgeting isn't just about cutting back on expenses, it's also about making smart investments and growing wealth over time. By prioritizing needs over wants and making intentional financial decisions, young adults can set themselves up for long-term success and achieve financial stability. A key insight is that budgeting is a long-term game, and it requires patience, discipline, and persistence. A real-life success story that illustrates the benefits of budgeting is that of a young adult who paid off $10,000 in student loans in just 2 years by following a strict budget and investing in a side hustle. This story shows that with determination and the right strategies, young adults can overcome financial challenges and achieve their goals. Budgeting can also have a positive impact on mental health, reducing financial stress and increasing feelings of security and stability. By prioritizing budgeting and making smart financial decisions, young adults can achieve financial stability and set themselves up for long-term success. Budgeting is a skill that takes time and practice to develop, but it's essential for achieving financial freedom. The benefits of budgeting extend far beyond just saving money. They include reduced financial stress, improved mental health, and increased confidence in making financial decisions. In summary, the main budgeting secrets for young adults include understanding the importance of budgeting, overcoming common challenges, and implementing practical tips such as the 50/30/20 rule and tracking expenses. By following these secrets, young adults can achieve financial stability and set themselves up for long-term success. If you've struggled with budgeting or have a success story to share, please comment below and let's keep the conversation going. And don't forget to check out my next video for more personal finance tips and tricks to help you save money and get ahead.